Sudha Murthy calls for mandatory teacher training and exam every 3 years. KIIT World School Gurugram celebrates pre-primary graduation with Exploring the World ceremony. West Bengal government regulates steep fee hikes in private schools. IIT seats double in 10 years, budget allocated for infrastructure expansion. 15% decline in Indian students abroad in 2024. Canada hit hard, Russia sees growth. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: Rajya Sabha member Sudha Murthy has proposed mandatory training courses and examinations for teachers every 3 years to maintain educational standards. Speaking during a discussion on Ministry of Education's work, Ms. Murthy emphasized the crucial role of teachers in shaping the education system. She argued that teachers should undergo periodic evaluations to stay updated with new teaching techniques and knowledge. Once teachers pass their initial exam, they rarely face further assessments, Ms. Murthy stated. Calling for regular exams to keep their skills fresh, she highlighted that without good teachers, excellent school facilities are imperfect. NCP and SCP member Fauzia Khan supported Murthy's idea, also criticizing the government for cutting education spendings despite the national education policy goals. KIIT World School Gurugram recently celebrated the graduation of its pre-primary students with a vibrant ceremony themed Exploring the World. The event showcased the students' growth, confidence and talents through a captivating theatrical dance performance. The children, dressed in the colorful costumes, portrayed cultural dances from various countries such as African tribal and Japanese traditional dances. The students' performances and cultural knowledge impressed distinguished guests including Deputy Commandant Rajbir Singh and Miss Nadine Black. Speeches from Campus Director Mr. Anshuman Kamra and Administration Officer Miss Ananya Parashar highlighted the students' achievements. The event concluded with the students receiving their graduation certificates, making the end of their early learning journey. The West Bengal government is set to introduce a bill in the assembly to regulate steep fee hikes in private schools. Education Minister Bhartiya Basu announced this. The move comes in response to concern from the middle-class parents who struggle with the rising costs. Basu confirmed that the issue was discussed with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. As per her guidance, a bill will be drafted soon. Although the timeline for tabling the bill is unclear, its passage depends on the governor's approval. Basu acknowledged the quality of education in private schools and highlighted plans to regulate fee structure in private hospitals, also to prevent the overcharging. The total number of seats across 23 IITs has doubled in the past decade, rising from 65,000 to 1.35 lakh, according to Ministry of State for Education, Sukanta Mujumdar. In response to a query in the Lok Sabha on March 10, he confirmed plans for further infrastructure expansion in 5 IITs established after 2014, including IIT Patna, and to accommodate an additional 6,500 students. For the 2024-25 financial year, over rupees 1,830 crore has been allocated for developing these IITs. Additionally, IIT Madras has introduced a new admission scheme for students excelling in national and international Olympiads under the Science Olympiad Excellence, that is SCOPE program, starting in 2025-26 academic year. Indian students heading abroad for higher education dropped by 15% in 2024, with Canada, the UK and US witnessing the biggest declines. Canada saw a significant 41% drop attributed to diplomatic tensions and stricter visa rules. The UK recorded a 27% decline due to a new family visa restriction, while the US had a 13% decrease. Together, these countries saw a loss of over 1,64,000 Indian students. Conversely, countries like Russia, Germany, Uzbekistan gained popularity, with Russia seeing 34% rise. The shift in destinations highlights change in diplomatic reactions, visa policies, and economic factors implementing Indian students' choices. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENN.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.